Hello guys, welcome to another video of the DBMS question series. Today we are going to talk about question set 24. In previous questions videos we have discussed so many questions about database. So if you have no idea, just check out my channel and get an idea about the DBMS question series. So today our first question is find the details of the student who got the lowest marks in the subject of science in the second term examination and the class in which he is studying. Okay, when you read the questions, you can get the clear idea about what they are asking. They are asking the lowest mark, so we have to use the minimum function in here, and they have given some conditions here. Here you can see our first condition is it should be the second term and the subject should be the science. Okay, in here I have written this query in here. As you can see here, first I have select all the details like first name, last name, gender, contact number, last name and the marks, and then I have joined all the tables using the inner join. Then here I have select the minimum from the student exam mark record, and here it is my condition where the term name is second term and the subject name is science. When I execute the query, here you can get the result here. Here as you can see there are equal marks for the science subject in the second term. If you change any data from the table, here I am going to change the marks here to 56. Then I am going to execute the query. As you can see now here only one result available, as you can see. Now in the second question they are asking arrange the marks obtained by all the students for the science subject held on 2020 15th of third month in ascending order. Okay, we have to use the ascending function in here. Here again I have select all the student marks from the student exam mark record. Then here there are about one condition here, where two conditions where the exam date is this one and the subject name should be science. And here I have used this order by to sort out my result in ascending order. Here I have order by ascending order where I have get the marks from the student exam mark record table. Here as you can see now I have sort out the marks in ascending order, as you can see here. So our next question is find the information of those students who obtained marks between 40 and 80 in mathematics and the examination held on 2020 10th of 7th month. Here in this question there are about three conditions. As you can see, the marks should be between 40 and 80 and the subject should be mathematics and the examination date should be this one. Okay, in here as you can see, as same as the previous question, I have select all the details like first name, last name. Then I have join all the tables using the inner join phrase here. Then here I have select the marks from the marks table. Then here as you can see, here is my condition where the student exam mark record dot mark should be greater than 40 and less than 80, and the subject name should be mathematics and the date should be this one, as you can see. Okay, in the fourth question they are asking arrange the above result in descending order. Okay, now we have to arrange this result in ascending order. Therefore I am going to write order by student dot mark descending, and I am going to execute the result. As you can see now my results are sorted out in descending order. Here I have used this order by option here to sort the results in descending order. Okay, now it's the end of my question set. Therefore, this is the end of my video. If you have any questions, leave a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to watch the previous videos to get an idea about the question series we have discussed in earlier videos. Okay, thank you.